Republican leaders say they're against President Obama's plan. Some of them even threatened to shut the government down. No surprise, though, Rhode Island's all-Democratic delegation supports it.
And President Obama is getting more support tonight from the mayor-elect of Providence. The night team's Olivia Fecteau is in Providence tonight with what this means locally.
As President Obama announces immigration action for the United States, we wanted to find out how that would affect things here in our area.
Those families have been torn apart. Those adults can now come out of the shadows and be part of our communities and provide for their families.
Providence Mayor-elect Jorge Elorza spoke to NBC 10 Thursday in Providence, saying he supports the president's plan.
For a long time, our broken immigration system, it's torn families apart. It's also kept a number of immigrants in the shadows.
A common sense middle ground approach. If you meet the criteria, you can come out of the shadows and get right with the law.
President Obama addressed the nation Thursday night, announcing executive action on what he calls the country's broken immigration system. The president described his policy as accountability, not amnesty. The policy will apply to illegal immigrants who have been in the U.S. for more than 5 years and those with children who are citizens or legal residents. The president also stressed criminals will not be included. People who meet the criteria can apply to stay in the U.S. temporarily without being deported. Some political leaders are critical of the president's plan, saying executive action in this instance is the wrong way to go. The president says in a nation full of immigrants, he sees fixing the system as a necessity.
Scripture tells us that we shall not oppress a stranger, for we know the heart of a stranger. We were strangers once too.
And the mayor-elect says while he does support President Obama, he still wants to see comprehensive immigration reform in Congress. In Providence, Olivia Fecteau, NBC 10 News Night Team.